Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So let's start rebooting our work using UiPath. So today's session, we are going to check about is exploring each and every panels in UiPath Studio, so which we have installed already, and then introduction to the variable panel actually. So we are going to check one by one. So first we can go with the each and every panels which is in UiPath. So and you can see the agenda what we are going to cover today. So we can go one by one. Yeah. So I guess you'll be once you install, you'll be in this page. So here, we can create multiple templates actually. So first of all, like process or library. So this is kind of a different automations. So Ori frameworks is nothing but like a enterprise standard framework. So where you used to do our automation in enterprises. So we can as of now we can quickly use processes. So which will be helpful as to create a sequence process. So let me click on process. So here you can select your name. Let me name it as demo. Let me paste my path. So let me go to my path. So where I need to store. So you can use your default path as well. So you can provide your description over here, so what kind of project you are going to build up. So here the language. So you can select VB or C sharp. So based upon the activity will be varies. So I will just every time I will just prefer to go with a VB. So I'll just click on VB by default. So just click on create. So once all the dependency has been added, so you can you'll be landing on this page. So here, yeah, so this is the panel so which I was speaking about previously. So you are going to go through the each and every panel. So you can see here project, activity, snippets, and then property, and then outline, and then resource testing. Yeah. So these are the panels which we are going to go through on today's session. So let me quickly go to my OneNote. So yeah, so these are the sessions and these are the description. So don't worry, I'll be just providing this description and in my YouTube descriptions. So yeah, so these are the various panels you can see here, like a project, activities, snippets, properties, outlines, so which I listed previously now. So in the project panel, so what we have in project panel, so we have to we can find all the data. So regarding the project, so it may be like XML files and the screenshots, so those stuff. So yeah, we can quickly go there and we can check. So yeah, so here you can see something like XML file. So if you are doing something, so something in the sense, so if you are adding some files or input data. So for an example, you are going to create a folder which is nothing but data. So where you are going to place our input data. So you can just go ahead and just create a particular folder over here, like input. It may be input, and then outputs. So you don't need to do anything. So I just clicked on the particular folder icon. So I have done I have created some folder. Just click on refresh so that you can see all the folders are reflected over here. So you can place your input data over here, like output data. So this is main XML, so which will be helpful to design our activity, so design our flow. So this is the main use of this main XML. So for an example, let us take an like a cardboard to draw something, right? So we need a cardboard to draw something, right? Likewise, so this main XML will be helpful for us to create our workflows. And then so activity panel. So this activity panel, so this will be used as to drag and drop our all activities. So let me quickly show you the activity panel. One second, let me click on main XML. So yeah, so in the activity panel you can see couple of things. So these are like activities we are going to use in our future videos. So these kind of features which is available in UiPath Studio. So if you need to draw any sequence or draw any automated flow, so initially you need to drag and drop your sequence. So sequence, so where it will be help to, so which I said before previously, like cardboard to draw diagram. So likewise, the sequence will help you to make your flow in an automated way, in a sequential way. So these two things will be followed in a sequence. So sequence, so it will be helpful to drag and drop or your all activities, so where we need to draw our paintings. So, and another thing is snippet. So snippet, so this is nothing but like a predefined template actually. So this is a predefined template. So for an example, so if you need to make any delays, so there will be a separate delay activity in activity panel. So you can check here. So delay. So instead of doing this, so you need to drag and drop and you have to set the delay time. So but here you can see like a predefined template has been fixed already. So you can drag and drop this template. So which it will give automatically a display like a, sorry, a delay of 1 second. So no need to customize anything over here. So this will give an like a predefined template. So this is nothing but snippets actually. And we are going to check our main thing, so which is nothing but property panel. So the property panel, so which have everything, so the data which is we are going to provide an input, so what we are going to provide as an input, and then like output variables, so each and everything. So if you need to rename your activity, so each and everything can be done over here. So you can see here display name is delay 1 second. So if you are not okay with this name, so you can rename it as delay as well. So basically like property panel, so where you can do all your modification and apply and change your design as your wish. And outline, so outline is basically somewhat like it will give a hierarchical diagram view. So once you are designing your flow, so you can see like this hierarchical diagram, so one by one, one by one, one by one. So it will be helpful to visualize in a good way. So this is the main use of an output panel. And the resource panel, so these panels will be used in an orchestrator. So if this particular flow will be linked with some other orchestrator resource, some as like assets, queues. So those will be, you can see those things in previous videos, like sorry, in future videos. So what we are going to discuss about orchestrator, so just a overview about like a resource panel, like, so on testing panel. Yeah, so testing panel will have like all the test data, so input, output. So you can see here like test case pass, test case fail. So all the information will be like found here. Like these panels will give an like consolidated idea of your flow and what we are doing and what you have done with your workflows. So each and every plays a vital role in UiPath Studio. So based upon your design, so you can pick any of it and you can make utilize of this.